Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of programming, specifically the struggles newbie coders face. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, feeling lost and confused. But fear not, brave adventurers. Today, I'm sharing 5 common mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. So, grab your favorite coding snack, buckle up, and let's level up your coding journey. Mistake 1. Trying to learn everything at once. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper without a foundation. That's what learning everything in programming feels like. Take it step by step. Focus on the basics of your chosen language, like variables, data types, control flow. Once you have a solid grasp, then explore more advanced concepts. Remember, slow and steady wins the coding race. Mistake 2. Not practicing enough. Just reading about coding is like watching someone else play basketball. You won't improve unless you get on the court and practice. Code every day, even if it's just for 15 minutes. Work on small projects, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn and grow. Mistake 3. Ignoring errors and warnings. Errors are your coding companions, pointing out your mistakes so you can learn and improve. Don't ignore them. Read the error message carefully, research online, and fix the issue. Treat each error as a learning opportunity, not a roadblock. Mistake 4. Copying code without understanding. Copying code is tempting, but it's like memorizing lines in a play without knowing the meaning. Understand what each line of code does, why it's there, and how it works together. This way, you can modify, debug, and write your own code with confidence. Mistake 5. Comparing yourself to others. We all learn at our own pace. Don't get discouraged if someone else seems to be ahead. Focus on your own progress, celebrate your achievements, and seek help when needed. The programming community is full of supportive people who want to see you succeed. There you have it. 5 common mistakes to avoid and some tips to help you on your coding journey. Remember, the most important thing is to keep learning, keep practicing, and keep having fun. If you have any questions or other mistakes you'd like to discuss, leave a comment below. Happy coding!